Fluke 283 comes with a new feature, limit gauge. It will help you throughout the day with programmable limits and making sure you focus on the important part of your work. Especially if you're testing electrical cabinets on voltages and you have test points, you have to monitor them each time to make connections. Let the smart work do by your multimeter by checking those values. If the value is okay, still stay silent. If the value is outside of limits, it will give you a red flashing screen and an audio warning, beeping sound. Very easy. Now we like to measure a few voltages in the distribution panel. We have to test all these circuits, so I need to keep attention on the board. I will activate limit gauge. The meter will do the work for me and I can focus on making sure I make the right connections. This group is faulty and these ones are good. The multimeter tells me very quickly which groups are bad and which are okay. That's simple.